this problem. A body is projected from the ground at an angle theta to the horizontal with a velocity of 30 meters per second. It reached a maximum height of 11.25 meters. Calculate the value of theta. 2. The time taken to strike the ground. 3. The range. So, before you start solving any problems in physics, the first thing you need to do is to bring out the parameters. Secondly, you write the formula. Ensure you write the formula. It's very important that you write the formula. So let's bring out the parameters. A body is projected, you follow the question gradually. A body is projected from the ground at an angle of theta. So it means the angle is theta. It doesn't have a value. We're not given the magnitude of the angle. So we'll write theta still. To the horizontal with a velocity of 30 meters per second. So we have u to be 30 meters per second. And excuse me, just in case you are confused, you don't know what quantity the value you have is representing, check out the unit. The unit will always give you the hint of what that quantity is talking about. It reached a maximum height. So we have h, capital letter H, to be what? 11.25 meters. Calculate the value of theta. So looking at this, we have this value or the parameters given, and we are asked to find the value of theta. So thank God I've not wiped the board. Looking at all these formulas that we have, what formula do you think is suitable for us to find theta? And of course, you know that G is equal to 10 meters per second. Even if you are not given, G is 10 meters per second. So let's include that. G is equal to 10 meters per second. So we can use this because we don't have small t. We can't use this because we don't have small t. We're not giving small t. We can't use this. This one, we can't use it too because we're not giving big T either. This one, we are looking for theta. We are giving H. We are giving U. We are giving G. Rather, we have G, okay? So it means this formula is good to go. The last formula, which is range R, we can't use it. H is not there, okay? So the suitable formula for question I, the value of theta is going to be this one. Duster. Okay, sorry, I'm going to clean the question. Go through the question. Problem I. So like I said, we are going to be using this formula. It's the most suitable formula to be used. So we have u squared sine square theta all over 2g. So we have, let's substitute into the formula. Okay, from the parameters, we have our h to be what? 11.25 is equal to, u is what? 30 meters per second. We have 30 squared sine square theta, is theta we're looking for, all over 2 times 10. Is that okay? So if we have this, if we further simplify, we have 0.25 is equal to 900. I think 30 is 900, then sine square theta all over 20. Now, we are going to do change in subject of formula. We are going to make sine square theta the subject of formula. How do we do that? You cross multiply. When you do cross multiplication, then you have 11.25 times 20 is equal to 900 sine square theta. Okay, sine square theta is the target. So how do we do that? We divide both sides by 900. We If we divide both sides by 900, then we have our sine square theta as the subject of formula. It will now become sine square theta is equal to 11.25 times 20 divided by 900. When we do this, I think we will have that's 11.25 times 20 divided by 900 is going to give us 0.25. Okay, so when we let me continue here. Okay, now we find the sine inverse. Theta is equal to the sine inverse of 0.25. When you punch your calculator, it will give us 30 degrees. So the value of theta is equal to what? 30 degrees. Now let's go to the second problem. It says the time taken to strike the ground, not the time taken to reach the maximum height. The time taken to strike the ground, to hit the horizontal plane. So it means we are going to be finding the big T, not the small t. So what is the formula for big T? Sorry, I'm going to wipe a little bit. I hope this small space will be enough for us to solve. Okay, big T is still on the board. Big T is equal to what? I told you always write the formula. Is equal to 2u sine theta all over g. We have 2. Our u is what? 30. Then sine. We have our angle now, theta. So we'll put it in this formula. 30 degree all over 10. Please, I know we're looking for range. So it's equal to, now if you punch your calculator, you press sine 30. Have you done that? Sine 30, then whatever you have, you multiply it by 2. Then you multiply it by 30. Have you done that? Once you multiply by 30, then divide it by 10. If you divide by 10, you arrive at 3. Your answer is equal to 3. So, of course, the unit of time is seconds. So we have 3 seconds. Is that okay? So the next one we're going to be looking for is the range. Permit me to clean. And what is the formula for range? R is equal to what? U squared sine 2 theta all over g. Can we quickly substitute so I can clean the down part? Then we have what? U. We have 30 squared sine 2 times 30. Theta is 30 all over 10. All over 10. So, if you press your calculator, just do what I'm telling you to do now. 2 times 30 is 60. You know that. Now find the sine of 60. Once you have found the sine of 60, you multiply it by 30 squared or 900. After you have gotten your answer, you divide it by 10. If you divide by 10, you arrive at 77.94. Range is in meters. If you have any question or there's a challenge, you didn't understand any part, please drop your comments in the comment section. Ask any questions. I will be able to answer. Thank you very much for your time. I'm still Bukola Joseph. Thank you.